Imagine a suitcase that doesn't just roll beside you, but can actually roll you around. Sounds like a game changer, right? There's the idea behind the Masaru. With a full charge, the Voyager can cover a distance of 7 kilometers, which is a bit less than what you get with an electric scooter. Plus, it has a tracking mode that lets the Masaru Voyager follow you around on its own. In this mode, the battery can last for up to 12 kilometers. Even with all these features, the suitcase still offers a spacious 33 liters of storage and weighs just 5.4 kg. You can control it using a remote or the official app, plus the 2500 mAh battery doubles as a power bank. All of this comes at a price of $499. It works for 35 hours straight, knows over 100 languages, and translates with just half a second of delay. That's what the WooAsk Transverse A8 can do, and it's enough to make any translator nervous who would need their services when all you need to communicate with people from other countries is a pair of earbuds in a case. This device can work with 16 languages even without an internet connection, and it's 98% accurate. But that's not all. When connected to Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot, the Transverse A8 can translate up to 144 languages. You can also use it to ask for directions, record audio, view text translations, and respond using the built-in speakerphone. All of this for $179. If you have ever traveled abroad, you know that dealing with different types of plugs can be a real pain. According to the International Electrotechnical Commission, there are 14 different types of plugs in the world labeled A to N. That means you have to buy adapters and make sure that you're using the right voltage. But now, thanks to a group of experts on Kickstarter, all of those problems are a thing of the past. They have created Mecca, the world's first universal adapter. It works with all 14 types of plugs, is available in over 200 countries, and can handle voltages from 100 to 250 volts. Can even be used with high drain devices, as it can handle up to 2500 watts of power. Plus, it has USB ports for charging your smartphone, laptop, and other devices. All in all, it's a very useful device for only $59. In World of Warcraft, a paladin's job, Paladin Pro, is to uphold all that is good and true in the world and revile all that is evil and sinister. But even if you're not a paladin, you can still protect yourself from the forces of evil with Paladin Pro. This device helps you find GPS tags, hidden microphones, cameras, and other devices that violate your privacy. It uses radio waves, a magnetic field detector, and laser reflection to scan an area of up to 15 square meters, depending on the mode. You don't need any special skills to use Paladin Pro. Just follow the arrow on the screen. You can get your own Paladin Pro and keep your privacy safe for $129. These days, what business travelers become and tourists need most isn't fancy robes or free breakfast. It's a reliable Wi-Fi connection. In fact, surveys show that over 80% of guests consider internet access to be a top priority. That's why it's surprising that so many people still have to rely on devices like Wacom. This route with virtual SIM support works in 127 countries and lets you deal with documents, download movies, or level up your paladin in World of Warcraft and more. All that is speeds up to 100 to 50 megabits per second. You can even share your connection with others. Wacom supports up to 8 devices and has a range of 20 meters. It can run for 10 hours in active mode on a full battery and it retails for $249. Even in the game, The Elder Scrolls I Travel Mini 3 More Winds, the Guardian wouldn't let you pass without completing the paperwork, and in real life, it's the same story. Filling out forms and dealing with paperwork can be stressful. For example, it's easy to forget or lose your passports at an airport, putting your entire trip at risk. That's why the team at Skybound Insurance created the Travel Mini Passport Holder. Its main feature is a GPS tracker that shows you exactly where your passport is and alerts you if you have left it somewhere. It can also help you find your passport quicker. In case of theft, the holder costs $99 while the mobile app is free. Ever tried catching some sleep on a true rest flight? How would you manage it? Did you end up using the stranger next to you as a makeshift pillow, or were you the one lending your shoulder? We are asking for a reason. The True Rest team has come up with a solution to help you sleep better even in economy class. They have worked with medical experts to create the True Rest system. Turns out, sleeping while leaning forward is pretty beneficial. It eases the strain on your chest muscles and makes breathing easier. The True Rest attaches to the tray table using a special mount, and the materials are carefully chosen to avoid leaving any marks on your face. You can get your hands on this system for $105. Realm is perfect for those who like Realm travel vacuum bags to pack their whole wardrobe. Even for quick tricks, just pop your t-shirts and shirts in the bag, turn on the vacuum pump, and you're good to go. The compression is impressive. Jeans are reduced by 30% and down jackets by a whopping 80%. Of the bags, 80% are made from a tough composite polymer that can handle a load of 15 kg and roughly 1000 uses. A single pump charge lasts for about 20 uses, plus it's super light, weighing only 85 grams. The basic Real Lime kit, which includes a pump and 2 bags, is available for $80. The Seago Solar Charger is the first Seago charger origami-inspired solar travel charger. When folded, it's a compact square with a 19cm side that fits easily into your suitcase or backpack. And at just 1.4 kg, it's super light, but don't let its size and weight fool you. This charger is tough. It's built to withstand hail and delivers 25 watts of power, enough to charge your smartphone in 2 hours and your tablet in 4. Plus, you can connect multiple Seago solar chargers together. The only downside is the price. It will set you back $289 per unit. The Fukana is a unique all-in-one gadget that merges a hair dryer, a mirror, and an essential oil container into one sleek package roughly the size of 2 stacked smartphones. It might look like a toy, but this device actually packs a punch with a powerful dryer that propels air up to 60 meters per second, allowing you to dry even long, lush curls in just 8 minutes. The dryer also boasts negative ionization technology to prevent your hair from drying out. More than just a delightful aroma, the essential oils in Fuka serve a purpose. When mixed with the airflow, they coat your hair, enhancing softness and combating split ends. All of this functionally comes at an affordable price of $79. If you have invested in a hair dryer, it may be worthwhile to also consider purchasing an iron, particularly the iron. This device prioritizes compactness with a design that resembles a speaker more than a traditional iron. Despite its size, the one features a steam generator and heats up quickly, taking only a minute to reach the desired temperature. If you have a large amount of clothes to iron, the iron's 5200 mAh battery provides up to 30 minutes of use on a single charge. Additionally, it's just adjustable temperature settings ranging from 100 to 140 degrees Celsius allow for safe ironing of delicate fabrics like silk and cashmere. The iron is available at a price of $69. A car transformed into a trailer. It may sound unusual, but that's exactly what happened to an Acura NSX sports car. But don't worry, fans of the Japanese brand. The car used for this transformation had already been damaged in several accidents and was no longer roadworthy as a trailer. However, the NSX has been given a second life. Now lucky owner Prescott can drive around with a car and a half, surprising his campsite neighbors by setting up a tent on the trailer. And if that's not enough, there's even room inside for a small Honda Motor Compo motorcycle. This creative repurposing of a damaged sports car would make for a great episode of Pimp My Ride. Antonio Banderas once had his wallet stolen during an autograph session, complete with cash, documents, and bank cards inside. To prevent a similar situation from happening to you, consider investing in a secure backpack like the Clickback Traveler. This backpack features a custom TSL lock and a stretching wire lock that allows you to attach it to various objects like railings and benches. Additionally, the ClickPack Travel offers protection against digital theft with an RFID protected compartment and the strap for your bank cards. Its clever design and numerous pockets make it easy to keep your belongings organized even when the backpack is full. The 45 liters of the model ClickPack Travel retails for $129. Passengers on a China Southern Airlines flight were ready to depart on time, but one genius decided to throw coins into the turbine for good luck, causing a 4-hour delay because technicians had to inspect the plane. Fortunately, the flight wasn't cancelled, but delays are common and often caused by minor issues to make waiting more comfortable. Beep has launched a Kickstarter campaign for a lounger and neck pillow combo. The lounger is inflatable, while the pillow is made of memory foam for added comfort. The durable material makes this product useful not only at the airport but also for outdoor activities like hiking or beach trips. The set is available for purchase at a price of $89. Between 2018 and 2022, Americans increased their spending on pets by approximately 51%, totaling $46.3 billion, a staggering amount that's more than 8 times the GDP of Barbados. This just goes to show how much people love their pets and are willing to spend on them. One example of this is this pet transportation system that costs $379. However, this product is not a versatile solution and is designed exclusively for dogs. The idea behind it is to provide a comfortable seating and lying down area for pets, even large breeds like German Shepherds that weigh up to 36 kg. Additionally, this product is easy to clean. Simply spray it down with a garden hose to remove hair, dirt, and debris. Life Odd is a compact, safe design for travel and outdoor activities. Despite its small size, it can hold not only keys, documents, and smartphones but also weapons if necessary. This innovative approach requires high durability and life pod delivers. In testing, the safe was able to withstand the weight of a car without any issues. Additionally, if the safe falls into water, it will float and keep your belongings dry. More advanced versions of the LifeOdd safe offer even more features. For example, the LifeOdd 1.0 has a touch code keypad, while the 2.0 version offers fingerprint access for added security. The 1.0 model is priced at $110 while a 2.0 version costs $160. The Woven XO is a compact yet powerful flashlight with impressive capabilities crafted from 661 aluminum alloy, the same material used in aerospace. Components. It boasts a range of 125 meters. Its magnetic insert allows it to be easily attached to surfaces like a fridge, proving useful during power outages. The flashlight's charge lasts up to 130 hours depending on the mode selected. Despite its robust features, the Woven XO remains portable, weighing only 82 grams and measuring just 5.7 centimeters in length. Remarkably, it works underwater, endures freezing temperatures, and withstands drops. All of these features are available for a reasonable $59. The COVID pandemic has made us realize the importance of frequent hand washing, a point even UN experts have emphasized. But what should you do when water isn't accessible? The makers of the last bottle have a solution. This dispenser holds 4 capsules that can be filled with sanitizers, perfect for cleaning not just your hands but surfaces too. For example, you could use a glass bottle to clean park equipment for your workout. It's also handy for storing various creams, conditioners, or liquid detergents, making it a practical choice for business trips. The capsules are reusable, each holding 45 milliliters, and come with a funnel and brush. For easy cleaning, all of this for just $19. If you are a fan of glamping, you will love C-Max, a game-changing solution that offers the compactness of a tent with the comfort of a proper home, blending the best of both worlds. Plus, it's easy to set up a 2-person team that can assemble it in just 11 minutes without any tools, and it comes with a lockable door and enough space for an AC unit. The tent's telescopic legs can handle height differences of up to 6 centimeters, making it perfect for uneven terrain when folded. It fits neatly into the bed of a pickup truck. Once set up, it can comfortably accommodate up to 8 people. The price for this glamping unit is $122,250. Certain cars like the Toyota Expedition Rack Land Cruiser 300 go hand in hand with an Expedition Rack, much like sushi and soy sauce. That's why manufacturers often delight car owners with stylish systems. For instance, BMS Engineering has this rack made from aluminum tubes with a 2.5mm wall thickness reinforced with steel mesh and capable of holding up to 100 kilograms. This rack for the Suzuki Jimny, on the other hand, doubles as a light bar guard. You can find a range of cargo accessories on the market, including ladder mounts and roller beds. What do you think is the most crucial feature for a roof rack?